to live alone, my apartment would be.
Oh, nice. It reminds me.
Oh my god. How much was it? Is it hard to take care of?
It's $10.
Is it hard to take care of?
No. It's like most.
You got it big like that already for 10? Oh, where's that place?
Have you ever seen Brazilian nuts?
Okay. Wait, I heard something about your bouncer. Tell us about your bouncer.
Oh, no.
The girls slept over last night and I'm in the bathroom because I'm the only one awake. It's 8:18 right now and everyone's asleep.
It's nice.
Okay, let's do the shot.
Hold on. Let me make my coffee first.
Okay, I make your coffee.
Do you guys want coffee? Got it. I was just so annoyed. That's how dreams work. I was trying to get back to the dream.
It might hit you later because sometimes that happens with me. Hits me later.
Okay, let's do shots. Don't worry like that.
I want the ginger one. So I can sing at the beach.
Are we getting sponsored?
Yeah. Mixer, Trader Joe's.
Dun dun
Yeah.
Acerola. I want to try it. I never tried it. Is it good?
I don't know. I'm just...
Oh, great.
Have you ever tried it?
No, I only get ginger and turmeric.
Ah.
3 water.
Nah, it's already. No chaser. Let's go.
Okay.
That bitch is on.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Well, this is good.
Not bad at all.
This is what
I'm used to it.
Do the ginger shot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is stronger.
Something very close is buttercover latte. You wanna taste it?
Can I get the Kevin's breakfast?
Sure. And a bagel or croissant?
Bagel.
And that'll be all?
Is that everything?
Okay.
You guys want more stuff?
No.
Sure. That's it? Yeah. 64 off 7. Just give me 6.
Did you guys have a location up on like Allen Street before?
Yeah, we were over there, but during pandemic, they want to raise the rent, so we cannot.
Oh,
yeah.
okay. So we found a coffee shop. This is the first time coming here. Under my apartment's out Round K, and they have a hidden garden. It's all white. So cute. And then this is. I know.
No wonder you said check it out.
I know.
I see why you did.
I know. And this is the back room that they have.
I think he's a really good barista.
Yeah, he's a very good barista. So this is ube cream on the top and a black coffee on the bottom.
Experience worth the $60 though.
You wanna try
Whoa. I'm not going to Starbucks anymore.
it? Yeah. It's nice.
Holy fuck. You wanna try?
It's
so
Give me
weird.
your honest review. Look at her face.
I didn't get it because it said vanilla and all, and I was like, no, it's gonna be
It's
cool.
ube.
So I was like,
This one didn't have vanilla.
no, the flat purple had vanilla too. Yeah,
Okay.
it has vanilla. So I was like, it's not too sugary, but this is so good. Can I get an exchange? It's really good. The purple. It is so good.
So good. Oh my god.
What's the purple thing though?
Ube.
Okay, is that a monastery?
No, that's a funeral home. How did you do this?
Oh, the background?
No, like blurry.
And I don't even want to rewash it. That's on.
Show me your nails.
Hello. Hello. Like this.
Thumbnail, thumbnail. I need a thumbnail. Look at these bitches. Photo shoot time.
Y'all not a good hype team. Fired. All of you.
Ta-da-da-da! I bought this iPad way back in May and it just got here. I'm so excited! I got it engraved and everything. I am ready to open this. ASMR. Ta-da. Honestly, the reason why I love Apple products is just packaging. It's all branding, man. I got it engraved, and that is my initial and an alien head, because I'm actually an alien. I'm so excited for this! Okay, it says it may take a few minutes. While we wait for that, I'm gonna open my Apple Pencil. Okay. Huh. Ah! So nice. Got my focus. You see? Just so smooth. Everything is so smooth. I love it. I'm gonna set up now and I'll probably give a more comprehensive review in the next week or so because I'm gonna be playing with this 24/7. Also, really need to get a case. Really also need to get a screen protector. I should have done that before I opened it, and I really had time. I had like 2 months to do that, but I didn't do it. So good morning, y'all. I just woke up and I opened my curtains and I saw this. No, my tomato plant fell, and look at all those cute little tomatoes. They're all ripening. Damn it. I don't know how I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna see if I can attach it back up. We'll see. Let's go outside. Oh my god. This snapped completely. Let's see if I can like just this. Okay, that might work.